Good morning, my dear students. I hope that all of you are good at home in this time. Today, we shall read about exercise 10.1. Number 1 questions. Represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers 30 degree east of north. First of all, we draw XY plane. On the graph paper, we write east, west, north, south. Here question is saying from us, represent graphically. It means on the graph a displacement of 40 kilometers. We draw a displacement of 40 kilometers. (30° east of north). It means we draw 30° angle north to east. So we draw 30° angle north to east. This is your answer. Now we solve second number questions. Classify the flowing measures as scalars and vectors. Before making, we shall read about vector and scalars. Vectors, that quantity which has magnitude and definite direction, then that quantity is called as vectors. For example, velocity. Here given example as velocity. Velocity has magnitude and also definite direction. Also example, displacement, acceleration, etc. We shall understand about a scalar, that quantity which has only magnitude, then that quantity is called a scalar. For example, distance. Here given example, distance has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Also example given as work done, time period, etc. etc. Number 2 question. Classify the following measures as scalars and vectors. Number 1, 10 kg. Here given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Number 2, 2 meters north to west. Here given quantity has magnitude 2 meters and also different direction north to west. We know that about vector, that quantity which has magnitude and also different direction, then that quantity is called vectors. Here given quantity 2 meters north to west has magnitude and also definite direction, so it is vector quantity. Number 3, 40 degree. Given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Number 4, given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar. Number 5 question. 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Number 6, 20 meters per second square. Here given quantity has magnitude and also different direction, so given quantity is vector quantity. We shall go next questions. 3 number question. Classify the following as a scalar and vector quantities. Just we have read about a scalar and vector. A scalar quantity, that quantity which has only magnitude, then that quantity is called a scalar quantity. Vector quantity, that quantity which has magnitude and also definite direction, then that quantity is called vector quantity. Now we shall start making questions. Number 1, time period. Given quantity is a scalar because it has only magnitude, that is, given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar. Number 2, distance. Given quantity has only magnitude, so it is a scalar. Number 3, force. Given quantity has magnitude and also definite direction, so given quantity is vector quantity. Number 4, velocity. Given quantity is vector quantity because given quantity has magnitude and also definite direction, that is, given quantity has magnitude and also definite direction. So here given quantity is vector quantity. Your answer is vector. Number 5, work done. Given quantity has only magnitude, so given quantity is a scalar. This is your answer.